Hello guys, welcome back to WooTechy channel. As people nowadays are using WhatsApp almost every day, WhatsApp keeps tons of messages, photos, and files in our chats with friends and family. Therefore, losing some photos from WhatsApp can be frustrating. In this video, we will tell you 3 ways to recover deleted photos from WhatsApp on iPhone, whether you've kept a previous backup or not. The first method is to restore from chat backup. When you tap on the backup option from WhatsApp, all the WhatsApp data will be backed up to iCloud, and you can simply uninstall and reinstall WhatsApp. Log into your account. When you are asked to restore the chat backup, tap Restore Chat History. The second method is to restore from iPhone backup. Most iPhone users are likely to make regular backups of their entire iPhone data to iCloud or iTunes. Of course, the WhatsApp data will be included. Launch iTunes on your computer. Then connect your iPhone to the computer using a USB cable. Click your phone icon. Then click Summary. From the Backups tab, click on Restore Backup. The 2 methods above all need a backup, and you can't preview data in the backup and select specific photos to recover. Moreover, your existing data will be overwritten. Now I will tell you a better alternative way to recover deleted photos from WhatsApp on iPhone. With iSeeker for WhatsApp, you don't need a previous backup, don't need to uninstall WhatsApp, and won't overwrite current data. More importantly, it offers preview and selective recovery. Let's look into the steps. First, launch iSeeker for WhatsApp. Then, choose Recover WhatsApp data from device storage. Second, connect your phone to the computer and click Start. Select WhatsApp or WhatsApp Business. After iSeeker accesses your device data, you can preview all the lost WhatsApp photos and select the ones you need to recover. In the last step, you can choose either to recover these photos to your PC or directly to your iPhone. That's it! You can get back your deleted WhatsApp photos in just 3 steps. It's really simple, right? Get started with the free trial right now. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe.